Okay, having a look at here, part B to problem solving with simultaneous linear equations. What we're looking at here is setting up the simultaneous equations. So we've got a little problem here. It talks about a fruit shop that 2 kilos of apples and 3 kilos of bananas cost a certain amount. And then we've got 3 kilos of apples and 2 kilos of bananas cost a different amount. Okay, so we want to just represent this as a pair of simultaneous equations. First thing, we're going to identify are the two variables. Okay, I can see apples and bananas here pretty easily, as I'm sure you can. So we're going to let A equal apples and B equal bananas. You can call it X and Y if you like. It's just easier if A for apple, B for banana. Now, we're talking about 2 kilos of apples and 3 kilos of bananas. So this is going to be 2A. This one here is going to be 3B. As we come down and look at the next one, okay, we start to talk about 3 kilos of apples and 2 kilos of bananas. All right, so this part here is going to be 3A, and this one here is going to be 2 bananas. All right, so let's go back to the first sentence. There's a bit of stuff on the screen there. Get rid of that. And let's start writing a couple of equations. So equation 1 is going to be 2 kilos of apples and 3 kilos of bananas is going to cost me $13.16. Equation 2 talks about 3 kilos of apples plus 2 kilos of bananas costing $13.74. Now, that's all that question asks. It's just asking us to set up or represent the pair of simultaneous linear equations. What you've got to decide from here, and this is what the next video, if you click to the right, the next video will talk about how we go and identify which method of that we use to solve these simultaneous linear equations, whether it be elimination or substitution. So have a look at that next video on the right, and we'll keep on with this.